Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the Bitlocker recovery key. Go to Account, Microsoft, com/devices or check your printed copy and copy the 48-digit key. Once done, create or confirm a Windows 10/11 USB installer. Use a clean 8 GB flash drive. Then reboot into BIOS or UEFI using ESC, F2, or Dell. Make sure USB boot is first. You do this because BitLocker prompts occur before Windows loads, and the recovery environment must be loaded from removable media to proceed. Boot from the USB and select Repair your computer, then Troubleshoot, then Command Prompt. This loads the environment outside Windows. Next, attempt to unlock the drive. Run Manage BDE Unlock D, recovery password, and paste the 48-digit key, replace D, with your encrypted volume letter. If unlock fails, use Repair BDE with a target empty drive to recover data. After a successful unlock, run chkdsk/f on that volume to repair file system errors that often trigger repeated recovery prompts. Once the drive is unlocked, boot into Windows and immediately suspend BitLocker from Control Panel or Settings. Then back up the recovery key to your Microsoft account, export to a USB, and print a copy. After backup, you can decrypt and re-encrypt with new TPM policies if desired, or leave suspended until stability is confirmed. If you cannot find any recovery key, a single tip: do not initialize or format the drive. Contact a data recovery specialist or prepare for OS reinstall, because formatting will destroy encrypted data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.